Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a job at the supermarket. In this YouTube video, I'll write an example letter that can be used for a stock clerk position in a grocery store. Now once you are done writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Alright, now before I start writing the example letter, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for a job at a supermarket. First off, in a formal cover letter we use a standard font type and font size. So Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. And avoid using novelty style fonts like Comic Sans, Script Style or handwriting fonts. Also, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide the cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, personalize your cover letter. Now there are various ways of doing so. For example, know to whom you need to address your letter to and include the name in the salutation. Write Dear Mr. Coleman or Dear Miss Coleman, and try to avoid generic openings like Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager, or to whom it may concern. Thirdly, emphasize on important skills and personal traits. For example, a good stock clerk is someone that has some skills in organizing and inventorying merchandise. Or for example, good communication and problem-solving skills. In addition, many employers expect some physical requirements, like your ability to lift or move boxes from one area to another. Important personal traits include, for example, being helpful, trusting, or dutiful. Fourthly, don't simply list these qualifications like you do in your resume. You need to give some context. Create your own narrative using personal stories or statements, facts and evidence of your hard work and determination. At last, maintain a tone of voice that is confident, courteous, and sincere. Don't use long, complicated words and sentences, but instead, keep it short, concise, and to the point. Don't forget to thank the reader for taking their time to review your application. Alright, so that's it for the most important writing tips. Next up, I want to start writing the cover letter. First, we start off by listing our contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and job title, followed by the supermarket or shopping center's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Miss Coleman. For American usage, we include a dot after the abbreviation. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to inform the reader where you found the job advertisement and that you are excited to apply. Let him or her know how you can contribute to their team. And if you don't have any working experience, try to focus on your personal traits. After that, you introduce the reader to your cover letter. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself followed by a motivation for the job opportunity and supermarket you would like to work at. Try to answer questions like, why do you want to work as a stock clerk? Why do you want to work at their establishment? Etc. Key here is to show that you made an effort to write this cover letter and that you are in fact motivated for the job role. In the third paragraph, you have to match your qualifications to the job competencies. Now, if you don't have any experience, you need to focus on your personal traits. If possible, provide some context in numbers, statistics, or awards you've been granted. In the last paragraph, you refer to your attached resume. Inform the reader about your willingness to further discuss the job role in a personal meeting. Now, by doing so, you politely initiate an interview without directly asking for it. Now, don't forget to include your phone number so that they can easily reach out to you. And after that, you thank the reader for taking their time and you close in a compelling way. So, kind regards or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, so we touched upon important writing tips and we actually made an example letter of around 350 words and 4 paragraphs. Keep your cover letter short, concise and to the point. Don't exceed the 1-page document. And if you want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format, then check out the link in the description. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Want more introduction and closing paragraph examples? Then check out my other videos. Other than that, thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!